Okay, we've been given this histogram regarding the times it takes kids in a class to travel to school. So, it's a histogram, and that means that the frequency equals the area. Okay, the frequency, that means, in other words, the number of kids in this case, is equal to the area of these boxes. So histogram, write it down on the page in front of you if you like. To remind yourself, frequency is area for a histogram. Okay, and that's going to get us through the whole question. So, part A, we have to work out the number of kids who take no longer than 30 minutes to travel to school. So, this is the information they've given us in the question to go by. They've told us that 9 kids take between 15 and 30 minutes. So there's 15 minutes and there's 30 minutes. So it's this box here. That represents 9 kids. So the frequency is 9. Right? And the area, well, let's work that out. So 9 kids is the frequency, equals, the area is 3 boxes by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. I'll call them boxes, yeah, why not? Okay, so by telling us that 9 kids took between 15 and 30 minutes to get to school, they're telling us that that area, 18 boxes, represents 9 kids. Because in histograms, the area is the frequency. Okay, if 9 kids is 18 boxes, that means that 1 kid is represented by 2 boxes. Okay, so to answer the actual question, number of kids who took no more than 30 minutes to get to school. It's asking for the number of kids represented by this box, this one, and that one, because that covers, these 3 boxes cover all the way from 0 to 30 minutes. So we know that this box here is 9 kids. So what about this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So therefore must be 4 kids. So this one is 9 kids. This one is 4 kids. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, so it must be 2 kids. Okay, so in total, all the kids that take no more than 30 minutes to get to school is 2 plus 4 plus 9, which is 15. Okay, so that's the answer to part A. Good. Right. B, we have to complete the histogram, and we've been told that there are 12 kids who took between 30 and 55 minutes to get to school. Right. So there's 30 and there's 55 minutes. So we're going to draw a box in here. Now, we know it's going to go up from here, but the question is how high? Where's the horizontal line going to be? Well, again, we'll go back to here. Frequency is area. 1 kid is 2 boxes, and we have to represent 12 kids. Okay, 12 kids is therefore 12 kids is therefore 24 boxes. Right, So we've got to draw in a horizontal line here such that the area covers 24 boxes. So how many boxes along the x-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, they're not making it easy for us. If it was 6, they would just go 4 up, because 6 times 4 is 24. But they've made it 5, which doesn't go into 24 very nicely. So we know that 5 boxes times however high it's going to be, let's call it h, has got to equal 24 boxes, because that represents 12 kids. So therefore h is just 24 over 5, which is, 5 goes into 24 4 times, remainder 4, 4 and 4/5, or if you like, 4.8. So we've worked out the height that this box is going to, the big box is going to be. Sorry, I must apologise for, I'm using the word box interchangeably for the little boxes and the whole thing, but I hope it's clear. Okay, so we've worked out the height of this big box is going to be 4.8. So 1, 2, 3, 4.8. So it's there. Okay. So just to reiterate, this area has to be 24 boxes because that represents 12 kids between 30 and 55. So that times that must be 24. That's 5. And that has to be 4.8 because 5 times 48, 5 times 4.8 is 24. So that's how you work out the correct height of your histogram box. There you go. That is 12 kids there. Fantastic.